sorry ass DJ.
Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel David Creations, and me Krishna Tripathi welcomes you to my channel. After a long time, I am here and today I am going to discuss about social media, types of social media, advantages and disadvantages of social media. So let's start without any disturbance. Friends, do you know what is social media? You are using social media, but actually you don't know what is social media. I can explain you. Friends, social media enables communication among individuals or communities to create and share content in cyberspace using the internet. Social media is omnipresent and accessible using communication devices like desktops, smartphones, laptop, tablets, etc. Social media will create a platform for the creation and exchange of user generated content. This includes social networking sites, microblogging sites, images and video sharing sites, blogs, messengers, etc. Now I am going to discuss about types of social media. Friends, social media can be widely classified into following types like social media websites, social networking websites, and social media statistics. In social networking websites, they provide a platform for their registered users to connect with people to share their thoughts and ideas, like images and videos. It is also becoming a popular gaming platform where free as well as paid games and apps are available for purchase. Generally, social media users will create a profile for themselves. Social media also supports the creation of groups, communities, creates a page for individuals or organizations to promote business, ideas, awareness, etc. Other is social media statistics. In social media statistics, social networking is one of the leading online activities worldwide. Friends, you will be surprised that there are more than 2.46 I'm highlighted this. Listen, 2.46 billion social network users worldwide in 2017, and in 2020 expert estimate 2.95, friends, 2.95 billion people to access social networking regularly. The majority of this growth is projected to come from mobile devices as emerging markets catch up on online connectivity. Social networking is one of the most important and popular ways for online users to spend their time, enabling them to stay in contact with friends and families as well as catching up with news and other content. Now I am going to discuss about some of the widely used social media sites which is also very popular. So first is Facebook. Friends, Facebook commonly called FB. We also call Facebook as FB. It is a popular American-based free online social media and social networking site. The site supports various regional languages and has the following features, which is mentioned below on your screen. So first is groups. Groups allows members with similar interest to find each other and interact. Second is pages. Pages allows member to create and promote a public page. Third is events. Events allows members to publicize an event on profiles, groups, pages to invite guests and track who plans to attend. So fourth is Newsfeed. Newsfeed display top trending news and personalized news of users' interest. The second networking site, the social media site is Google. It is a social networking site and owned and operated by Google. Like most of the social networking sites, it supports sharing photos, status updates, create communities, etc. The unique feature introduced by it called circles, where its users are allowed to group different types of relationship into circles, text and video that supports through hangouts, etc. The third and the most widely used social networking site and the social media sites is Instagram. Friends, it is owned by Facebook and is primarily used as a photo sharing application. It allows users to share their pictures and videos either publicity or privately with selected followers. The second is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an online social media networking site aimed for working professionals that allows a person's work profile and interact to be visible to a wide audience in the virtual world. Next is Pinterest. Pinterest is a mobile application which runs on web browsers also. It is mainly used to share images and GIFs, which begin with an idea to share ideas. Users can pin the images and recheck them again. Next is blogs and microblogs. A blog creates a platform to share descriptive, informal information or thoughts written on a specific interest that is published over the internet. The people who write blogs are referred to as bloggers. People who write blogs, I am highlighted this. People who write blogs are referred to as bloggers. The next social networking site is WordPress. WordPress is a blogging platform that provides free blog hosting for registered users. Registered users can write blogs. Additional services like designing, removing of ads, storage space, etc. are offered as a paid service. The next and the very famous social networking site, which is Twitter. Twitter is a micro-blogging site for online news and social networking service. The messages posted by users are called tweets. We call it tweets. There is a word limit of 280 characters for each tweet like most users. It runs on a web browser as well as supports popular mobile platforms such as Android, iOS, Windows Phone, etc. A hashtag. Friends, I am highlighted this like hashtag Krishna Tripathi, hashtag David Creations, hashtag cybercrime, hashtag cyberforensics is used to categorize tweets on the basis of topics. The next social networking site is and is widely used by all over the world, which is YouTube. It is one of the largest and popular video sharing website in the world, owned by Google. It also allows users to upload, view, like, share and add to favorites, subscribe to other users, create a channel, report and comments on videos. Our next social networking site is Dailymotion. Dailymotion is a video sharing technology platform similar to YouTube, which allows users to upload, view, like, share, add to favorites, subscribe to other users, create a channel, report and comments on videos. It is similar to YouTube. There's no difference between this. The next and it is also used widely all over the world, which is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a widely used instant messaging application which also supports voice over IP, which is also called VoIP, that runs on smartphones. It has almost replaced the traditional SMS messages. It is also supported by most of the phones. It requires a personal mobile number for registration. The next is Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google. It provides 5 TB of free space. I am highlighted this again. Just listen to me carefully. It provides 5 TB of free space for its registered users to store their content. Android users can store the backup of images, WhatsApp content, contacts, etc. on their drive. It comes pre-installed in Android-based smartphones. Now I am going to discuss about advantages and disadvantages of social media. As you know, there are many scams are happening due to social media because we don't know the disadvantages of social media and we share our personal details like bank details, our names, our place where we live, our family details, etc, etc. So I am going to discuss about firstly the advantages of social media. So first is connectivity. Through connectivity, people can connect from anywhere with anyone to share their thoughts and build relationship. Most of the internet users are active on one or the other social media platforms. Second is education. Education is the very important advantages of social media. So in education, social media facilitate interaction with other experts and professionals. It allows users to follow anyone to learn from them and enhance their knowledge in any field. It allows users to post queries and receive responses from professionals around the world who are knowledgeable in their domain. Next is news feeds or news sharing. The user share news or current affairs which interact them. People who find these interesting will share with others and act as a channel for new information and opinion. Since large pools of people are active on social media, some people houses only use social media sites for their news sharing. Next point is create awareness. It is very important point of advantage of social media. So it is used to create awareness among users on various subjects. Individuals, organizations create their own pages for spreading awareness. So its example are like we are going taking an example. Awareness pages on cybercrime created by various law enforcement agencies. Also traffic awareness, computer basis awareness, and cyber security awareness, etc. We also take other life examples, daily life examples, so you can take other examples also. Now I am going to discuss about disadvantage of social media. So the first point is privacy. It is very important and most of the important point of disadvantage of social media. So privacy is a major concern for the people on social networking sites. The users are required to provide some personal information such as a full name, a email address, date of birth, a phone number, etc. for registering on these social networking sites. Most of the social networking sites are offering privacy setting for users to restrict public access to their personal information. However, such data can be misused. Next point is impersonation. A criminal can create a fake account. It is normal for the fake people, fake users which create fake accounts and do scams. So a criminal can create a fake account on social networking sites using our name. They can do this by creating another email ID for this purpose. The user can carry out various activities in our name through this fake account. Next point is cyberbullying. It is also very important point of disadvantage of social media. So it is a form of extreme bullying among youth via technology. It is abusive, targeted, deliberate, and repeated behavior that is intended to damage and harm another young person. Next point is spreading fake news. Fake news or hoax messages spread like wildfire on social media. It may create law and order problem and may end up causing loss of life in few cases. Example, let us take an example which is Boston bombing in 2013, which was happened due to spreading fake news. Another example is any exodus in 2012, and next example is Muzaffarnagar riots in 2013, which were also happens due to spreading of fake news. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of social media, and the main points of disadvantage of social media, which were privacy, impersonation, cyberbullying, and spreading fake news. If you will use this privacy, you will use this disadvantage of social media, then you will be aware and know what is happening